Hi everyone, Natasha here, and around my home today I am in my office. It's Friday, my daughter is off school. They have been hard at work in the street right in front of my house working on installing some fiber for internet down the road. So it's been kind of a chaotic day and I'm just now getting a chance to film, and I wanted to share with you our card for this week from the Beautifully Organized in 52 Weeks card deck by Nikki Boyd. So stay tuned for that and welcome to my office. Welcome back to my home. I'm so glad you're joining me today for another card from the Beautifully Organized in 52 Weeks card deck by Nikki Boyd. We have been diligently working at one area in our home each week, going through the cards. We are on to week number 42, and this is a good one. We're continuing to work in your attic or basement or whatever storage area you have in your home. So last week we were working on decluttering, getting out whatever things are in there that we no longer need, doing some cleaning if we needed to. So now this week it's time to organize that space a little better. And if you've been following along, then you know I've actually been working on this all year long. I have a fairly large home and my basement is a good sized basement, which I'm so grateful for. But it's taken me a long time to finally get to work getting it organized and cleaned up and decluttering. So all year long, I've been working on doing that. I've gotten one side so much better. I've worked on decluttering one box at a time, just going through so that I know what I have in each box. I have a much better system now for organizing the items, and I have some empty shelf space, which is exciting because as I continue working on decluttering and organizing things down in my basement, I'm building a better system where I know what types of things are stored together. I have a better idea of what I'm keeping and why. And of course, adding some labels to the bins will be the final touch to this project. So I really have something that anyone in my home can go down and find whatever it is they are looking for. So I'm encouraging you this week, if you're like me and this is a big project, don't feel like you have to tackle it all this week. Maybe focus on one shelf or one collection of items if it's your craft supplies or your holiday storage. Let's see what you can do to label and organize things and make it a little bit better this week. I'd love to hear in the comments down below what you were able to get done last week as far as decluttering and cleaning up your storage space, and then what you'll be working on this week with me. So I will be continuing on Tuesday. I'll share another box from the basement. I have gotten to the point now where we're working on a lot of toys. So I'm involving my daughter in the process because I want her to know how to go through something like this and be able to evaluate our things and decide what's important that we want to keep for now and what we've decided to pass on. And of course, the bonus is being able to share these things with others. So I'm hoping she's learning some good lessons along the way. Plus, I feel like it is not fair at this point for me to declutter things that she might still be playing with, and she's old enough to be able to tell me that. So that is our task for week number 42, to do some organizing and some labeling of the bins. Maybe think about creating a vertical system like I have, where you have shelving units you can put your bins on. If it's an attic space, sometimes you can create shelves in the rafters. So see what you can do to add some vertical storage if you're getting short on space and needing some more places to store things, or maybe it's just a matter of getting it a little more organized. So before I forget, I am going to put our card back in the box. We're getting much closer to the end because if we are on week 52 today, that means we have 10 weeks left to get to the end of the year. So I think our very last episode will be right after New Year, and we'll be finally finished with the cards from the card deck. So thanks for joining me. I hope you're continuing to enjoy this process and finding your home getting a little more beautifully organized as we go along. Stay tuned. I'll be back on Sunday for my Jane's Agenda November Deluxe Subscription Box unboxing. And of course on Tuesday, I'll be here with another Tiny Tidy Tuesday video. And on November 1st, I'll be sharing the Joyful Jordan unboxing video as well. So lots of fun things. Don't forget to subscribe. Come back and watch the next video. Leave me a comment and let me know how your progress is going. And other than that, have a good one. Thanks for joining me, and I'll see you next time. Bye.